Today, the 76ers, in partnership with Penn Medicine, are here to unveil a brand new court here at Roberto Clemente Playground.
This court is unbelievable.
It's an incredible experience to unveil a newly refurbished basketball court here.
This project represents what can happen when organizations join together to support our local community. It is about you all here. It's for you.
The process really is resurface the court, new coat of paint, put some nice stencils down with logos, new backboards, new rims.
That financial investment is going to pay off triple-fold.
This is an important investment to the Fairmount community.
They were not able before to play a full court basketball game because one of the floor on one of the ends was basically a sinkhole. And the investment that the Sixers and Penn Medicine and the city have done has leveled that off and created a safe court and a safe environment. It's a really transformational opportunity and investment in the lives of the youth of Spring Garden. There's no other finer facility now in the city.
These kids been sitting all this time, and they ready to play on this new court, right? Who's ready to shoot on the new court?
We want to get them up playing basketball. We want them to be able to dream and dream big.
Perfect. All right, clap it up, clap it up. Let's go.
Please welcome Julius, Dr. J. Erving.
I can dunk on this one. Your experiences here in this park are going to create memories for you and for your friends and for your family.
Chase your dreams, whatever you do, make sure you're having fun with it.
I'm so proud of the work that we've done together with the 76ers. I can't wait to do more of it. We'll just continue to give back to the community together.
We now have a basketball court that's going to last for decades on end. I'm feeling a lot of joy.